All right, so this is my very first installation video, so this is going to be fun. 2013 Harley Davidson Heritage. I am going to replace that exhaust system with a Vance and Hines, what was it called? A big shot, short staggered, something like that. Along with the Vance and Hines Fuel Pack 1. So I've never done this before. It's my first time, but I do have my degree from YouTube University. So yeah, let's give this a whirl. There it is, right there in its glory. Mine, I ended up putting swishy pants on, like workout pants, and it touched and melted. And then here, a plastic bag like flew by in the parking lot, got stuck, and just, yeah, it melted on. Bastards. Okay. And that'll be our mounting plate. Let's do this. Ooh-wee. I'm afraid to touch it. I don't want to leave my fingerprints on there. But it's so pretty. Upside down. Vance and Hines. I think my degree told me that the smaller ones go in the back and the bigger ones go in the front. Although 4, 5, 6, 7. That are you? Probably not. Not either. All right, I'm gonna be that guy. I spent $700 on these things. I don't want to get any. I don't want to risk fingerprints, nothing. So hopefully this will this will help. How paranoid I am. Slide that bitch in here, I guess, and yeah. Why didn't you? What she said. Oh, see, already. Look at that. Mistake number 1. How the hell? Pull that bitch out, huh? Okay, slide it. Okay. Same thing. Go down. Go down. 1. Damn, that looks so clean. I've been dying for a clean exhaust, man. I see all my buddies and they're just badass, and got my grocery bag filled one. Total noob doing this, but I think I'm doing it right. Slide that bit. Oh yeah. I should probably pick this thing. I don't have one that fits this. Shit. You know, I mean, it's nice working on your own stuff, honestly. Not only does it save you a bunch of money, but you just feel better when you're done. You know what you did. Then you can help people later. And I don't know, for me it's just a cost saving. Plus, what else am I gonna do this morning? Sit on YouTube? I guess I was doing that. Take some new YouTube classes. Possibly. But I don't mind doing this. Whereas these things are so easy to just put too much on there. And then they just break, they snap so easy. I actually put headers on a Yamaha V-Star 1100. Well, not headers. I put a muffler on. Just change the tips. And I ended up breaking those things off by accident. So lesson learned. Get to it and just give it a little oomph. Oh yeah. It's just, look at those things, huh? That is nice. That is going to be a beaut on there. All right, I think the next step is you disconnect the sensors. Try to get them on this somehow. I don't know. Screw it in into both spots, and then you slide it in and connect it. All right. So now, next, here's one O2 sensor with a wire going all the way to the back. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take off the seat and probably pull the battery or something. Try to find where that connects. The front guy. Let's see if I can get it right here. There it is right there, connected to the pipe. So this one looks like it's going to be easier in the front somewhere. So let's do this. I don't know about you, but every time I take this off, I'm always afraid these screws here, because they can push down easy, they can like fall in and I can never get them back up from underneath. I don't know, it's my personal phobia. Let's see. Follow that cord. Oh yeah, it goes under. If I pull on it, this is it right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get this battery out. God, I think they were loose because that just came out way too easy. This is too small for that. See, my speaker wire ran through here, connected to the fuse. I think one day I should probably get that professionally done, you know? My little African engineer project. Okay. Okay. There we go. Ah, it came out. That's what I was afraid of. Ah, all right. I've got the Terminator cell out. Oh, my glove ripped. I'm going to get a new one. You know, the video looks so much easier. Okay. All right, got the one. All right, the front. I don't know where that thing goes. There's my belt. Okay, I think it. Oh, it's like right there. I can't see it though. This one might be harder. It's supposed to be easier. It's like a weird angle. Oh. All right. I was able to get that piece off. So now I'm gonna have to take off the muffler and the heat shield, really, because this thing, yeah, I can't get to that screw with the heat shield in a way it touches the screw. So I think I'm gonna do that for both this stuff, and I might have to take off this floorboard. Maybe we'll see. I don't think so. If I can slide it in. Same thing. All right, now I need a big one for you. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Damn. The Hulk pulled this shit out before me. I bought this bike with this muffler put on. I don't think that's a stock. The big one's off. Now I got this one. It's like hanging by a thread. Oh, there was last thread. Heat shut off. Oh, no, still there? All right. From the looks of it, the bolt's right here, right? It's on the other side. I can't get my ratchet in. Maybe through this side I can get at it from right here, but I gotta remove the sensor. And maybe I'll get the right angle. I think, yeah. Which means when I put the pipe on, I have to screw this in and then connect the sensor and reverse that. Why? Why? Same thing. This one's not gonna go to. Oh, no, this one. What the fuck? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I got a little pressed here, so check it out. I could not get the last bolt here, right? Because, well, there's no way to get in there. And the O2 sensor was in the way. Could not get it out. Everything is off. The damn thing is ready to come apart. It's just that one needle nose for the win. All right. Now it's getting exciting. Okay. One, two. Let's do separate. Just get this one out. One ounce. This fugly. And two. Woo! Yeah. Nice, Harley. Nice. Let's get those sensors off. Same thing. Thank you for your service. All right, next, and do this mounting bracket. Can you see here? So this somehow is supposed to go, I don't know. All right, actually, I should have just double checked. It says right here, yeah, install brackets. Duh. I forgot I have these, so let's do it. Okay, look at you. She's a little bit bigger for you, guy, don't worry. What do we got here? There's got to be something that adjusts for this. Okay. Important rule I learned: don't cross thread. You don't want to do that. You're gonna have a bad day. You can tell I'm not a mechanic. Come on, you're doing it, Peter. You're playing with us. You too. All right, now for the brackets. I don't know about you. I'm getting fucking excited. We're so close. Little do you know, it's been almost 4 hours. I know it's so bad. Whatever. So, lower down, just like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, man. She's ready. She's ready. I know. Now it's all sticky. My problem is these things are small. I mean, the wife wears these things, so it's not like they're gonna fit me easy. It's fine. I don't care. No grease, no smudges, no fingerprints on the pipes. You're gonna have nice pipes this time. You're gonna have nice pipes this time. Okay, just get on there. Close. It's so tight. That's what she said. I forgot to mention earlier. So supposedly, according to YouTube University, you have to take the flanges and the clips off the original and use them on your new. So mine's a little rusted. I don't know if you can tell. I got scared because I was terrified I was going to break this thing. So word of caution. Make sure that you got this threading on the inside. Okay, then get that guy on there. So flipping close. Yeah. Yeah. Dylan. Yeah. All right. Now she's ready. All right. It's time for the moment I've been waiting for. I'm gonna have this, right? This guy is gonna go right there. Some of these things. I gotta get my floorboard off. It's not like you put it in. Maybe if we do like. Oh wait, here we go. Okay, no. I gotta take the floorboards off. All right, I got that off. That was much more pain in the ass than I thought. It was just jammed on and I could not get it. Finally found the right Allen key. Oh wait, the front end. But it's a lot easier if I had two guys here. It's my fault. I'm too excited with this shit. Oh man. Hold on. Looks good so far, but shit. I don't know what's gonna happen, so let's see. And there you have it. Whoa, what is that? Holy shit. Why is it smoking? Shit. All right, fuel pack time. I'll put this on, got my instructions. Go to the website, you download all your codes, and that's it. Plug it in. Bing, bang, boom. Bing, bang, bang. I am the fuel pack. All right, fuel pack's installed. Let's turn this bad boy on. Well, that's not good. Got a long ways. Hi, baby. It's on. It is on. There we go. That is a beaut. Yeah.